This is day number 2 of eating 30 eggs a day for Movember. Start the day off with a cup of tea, standard, cheeky little weigh-in, 175.6 this morning. Then cracked over the day with 7 eggs scrambled on toast again. Went for this morning because I was in a rush once again. I had to get up and go to York to go get a blood test done. I wanted to get my testosterone and cholesterol checked at the start and end of this challenge. See what kind of difference it would make, a little science experiment. So yeah, I was a little bit of a rush, but I made it on time at the end. In terms of the actual scrambled eggs, it's a 7 out of 10 once again. But I did have some bowel troubles halfway through eating these, and I also had some bowel troubles on my way to York. I had to pull over before I got there. So it looks like this is the first sign of a little bit of weakness in the stomach, but that was no issue. Got into the gym. I had a top single today on bench at 90%. I think Tom was very happy for this. Then on to back offs, I had 3x2 at 87.5%, and this moved pretty nicely. Followed this up with some hamstring curls, and I threw a few bicep curls in afterwards, and there's some other exercises. But this was all I managed to film because my camera ended up dying, and I only had a little bit of storage left on my phone. And I'd already decided that I wanted to use that to film a little before and after for the challenge, so I headed into the boxing gym, did a little bit of a flex, got some natural poses, wanted to just see what I'm looking like at the minute so I can make a comparison at the end. And we go back to meal number 2. We are making curry once again. This time instead of using 7 eggs, I was using 8. Same thing, just whisk up some eggs, scramble it, super easy. Ended up cooking this one a little bit longer so it wasn't as runny, which meant it went down really well. Probably the best meal of the challenge so far. Give this one an 8 out of 10. But watching it back, it looked like this plate just kept growing and growing when I was eating it. Doesn't matter though, managed to get it down pretty easily. We'll be doing this one again, no doubt. Next meal, I was super strapped for time because I was stuck editing this like all evening. Ended up blending up some strawberries and blueberries, put it in a smoothie. This was like a 6 out of 10. Give me some ideas on what else you want to see me blending up. I'm going to try a few different combinations because raw eggs is a super easy way to get it in. Final meal of the day, made a berry frittata again. This time just did 8 eggs in the tray, made it a little bit shallower, cooked a little bit better. This one went down super well. I give this one a 7. Frittata will probably be a staple of the challenge. And with that, that's day 2 completed. Don't forget guys, donate to Movember.